Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a profile in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu. Here we have our course. From here we just tap on the middle button. This is the profile menu. And now we can tap on create profile. Here we have to set some details. Let's say this. We can add our email. Then we can create a password as well. And now the app is going to show us this. We can find some friends. We can tap on maybe later. And now our profile has been created. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.